In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to your Figma design. This is a straightforward process and a fantastic way to enhance your design projects by incorporating dynamic multimedia elements. So let's get started. First things first, you need to go to Figma, which is a powerful collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't yet got Figma open, go ahead and launch it now. Once you're there, look for the login button situated on the main page. If you're not currently logged into your Figma account, you'll need to do so. Simply click on the login button and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. When you find yourself on the Figma homepage, navigate towards the design section. This section houses all the tools you'll need for our task today. It's easily accessed from the sidebar, and by clicking on it, you'll open up a canvas or any project folder you're working on. This is where we will be integrating the video. Now that you're in the design area, direct your attention to the top of the workspace. Here you'll find the shape tools, a fundamental part of designing in Figma. Click on the shape tools and take note of the options that unfold. This action provides you with various shapes that can be used to define areas or elements in your design, but more importantly for today, it also leads you to the option to include media elements. Watch carefully as you look through these options, because now you need to select the image video option. Once selected, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to either drag and drop your video file or choose it directly from your computer. Make sure your video file is prepared and easily accessible on your device to streamline this process. Dropping or selecting the video file will then place it onto your canvas. You have the freedom to reposition and resize the video to fit perfectly into your design layout. Don't hesitate to experiment with placing the video exactly where it makes the most impact or complements your overall design theme. And that's it. You've successfully added video to your Figma design, enhancing the visual appeal and functionality of your project. By embedding multimedia, you're providing an enriched experience for viewers or users, which can be crucial depending on the nature of your design. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. Feel free to replay sections if you need a refresher, or leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. Your creative possibilities in Figma just got a whole lot wider, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and happy design.